Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x squared minus y is equals to 73, y squared minus x is equals to 73. To find the values of x and y, which is x is not equal to y. So, in the first step, we start by letting this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So, in next step, we subtract equation 1, we subtract these two equations, so it will be equation 1 minus equation 2. So, equation 1 is x squared minus y, and minus equation 2. Equation 2 is y squared minus x is equals to 73 minus 73. So, it will be, in here we have x squared minus y and minus y squared, and negative times negative will be positive, so it will be plus x is equals to 73 minus 73 is 0. In next step, we take these two parts together and these two parts together, so it will be x squared minus y squared and plus x minus y is equals to 0. In here, this is in the form of difference of 2 squared, so we can write this as x minus y times x plus y, and plus x minus y is equal to 0. In here, x minus y is common, so we factor x minus y, and it will be this divided by this, it will be x plus y, and this divided by this, it will be 1 is equals to 0. So this times this, it will be 0, so in here we have two solutions. X minus y is equals to 0, or x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. From here we take this y to this side, so it will be x is equals to y. But our problem condition is x should not be equal to y. So in here we reject this answer, and in here x is equals to, we take these two parts to this side, and it will be negative 1 minus y. So, in next step, from equation number 2, in here, we have y squared minus x is equal to 73. So, we write in here, equation number 2, we have y squared minus x is equals to 73. So, in here x is negative 1 minus y, so we substitute in this equation and it will be y squared minus x. X is negative 1 minus y is equals to 73. And in here, y squared negative times negative y, it will be positive y, and negative times negative 1, it will be positive 1, and we take this 73 to this side, it will be negative 73 is equals to 0. So it will be y squared plus y, 1 minus 73, it will be negative 72 is equals to 0. In here we have a quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, which is y is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of y squared is 1, and b is coefficient of y is 1, and c is constant is negative 72. So in here, y is equals to negative b, negative 1 plus or minus square root of b squared, 1 squared is 1, minus 4ac, 4 times a is 1, and c is negative 72 over 2a, 2a is 2. And here, y is equals to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 1. In here, negative times negative, it will be positive, and 4 times 1 times 72, it will be 288 and over 2. So it will be y is equals to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 288, it will be 289 over 2. And it will be y is equals to negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 289, it will be 17 over 2. So in here we have two values for y. y1 is equals to negative 1 plus 17, it will be 16, and over 2 it will be 8. And y2 is negative 1 minus 17, it will be negative 18, and over 2 it will be negative 9. So in here x is equals to negative 1 minus y. So we write in here x is negative 1 minus y, right? So from here x1 is negative 1 minus y, minus 8. It will be negative 9. And from here x2 is negative 1 minus y, minus negative 9. It will be negative 1, negative times negative will be positive, plus 9 is equals to 8, right? So our answer for x and y is x is negative 9 and y1 is 8, and in here, from here, x is 8 and negative 9. So we find two answers for x and y. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.